welcome CNG 124 to a new week. Let's see, this week we dive into a few assignments that replicate last week. As I was looking back at the discussions for this week, I saw that more of you are getting comfortable with Packet Tracer, and that's good. We continue along that Packet Tracer route from here until the end of the semester. So if there are issues, make sure to ask them in the lab chat, or since Packet Tracer has been around for so long, there are so many videos out there that are good videos that show you how to do specific concepts in YouTube. But if you need to, I can also make your own video. In this Lab 16 of Packet Tracer, I give you the same topology. Remember to type your addresses on the topology. So not only when you're going through this lab and writing stuff out, make sure that you're transitioning the same level of detail from your handwritten copy to your digital copy, so that can help troubleshoot. I know a few people are having troubleshooting and haven't had a chance to look at the submitted material yet, but make sure it's always easier to verify an IP just by looking at it on your screen than trying to dig through a 15-page lab to get that assignment. Let's see, also in week 10, I think we have a little bit of reading. No, we have no reading. Do you have some Packet Tracer comment? I guess there's some reading that we should read. How to build a packet network using Packet Tracer 6.2. I need to update that to 7. Common Packet Tracer items. One thing I always point out in the face-to-face class is go by chunks. And I think I remember this saying this last week. Go by tiny steps to ping yourself across the network, and that will help identify where the error is at more easily than just trying to ping from one computer to the other computer. You even a whole range of possibilities under that. But so far, good work this week. I have a video for nothing. Okay, I can make a video for the homework. Oh. And we work with router config 2 and router config 3 with RIP, and then I believe the workbook assignments taper off because we start to get into putting everything we've learned up to this point into application of itself. Remember the test this week is closed Sunday night, so make sure to get that done. That's really the only significant change in this week. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Definitely read those Common Packet Tracer items. Those PDFs are not very long. I believe they're about 3 pages each, but that'll help you understand where your errors might lie in your lab for this week. So have a good week. I'm behind on grading. I probably won't get to grades till maybe later on this week. I'm not going to put a date on it because I'm already behind. But good job so far. Looking good.